Pintarest Incorporated is our new market analysis. Pintarest is a social network based on sharing photographs, videos and images. The name comes from the union of the English words pin and interest. Pintarest allows users to create boards in which to catalog the images on web pages based on predefined themes or chosen by them. Pintarest has been growing a lot in recent years at a rate of more than 20% per year. In 2019 alone, revenues increased by 51% compared to 2018. The company has a market cap of $25 billion, operates a unique platform, is growing rapidly, and is extremely well managed financially. Like most of our recommendations, this title has been recommended to be kept at least 3 to 5 years. Don't buy this stock if you plan to sell it soon. The leaders of this company have a long-term mindset. They are not trying to build success in the next 3 or 9 months. In fact, large companies take actions that hurt their short-term results in order to build a better business in the long run. To win as shareholders, we need to be aligned with their management times. We believe Pintarest can beat the market solidly from here until the next 5 years and beyond. Billions of people use social media sites every day. What started as a fun way to stay in touch with people and share images has turned into intense competition for users and advertising revenue. Globally, social media has become the third largest advertising channel behind only television and paid search, with ad spend approaching $85 billion. In response to this frenzy, social media platforms have tried to capture as much territory as possible for their ecosystems. The longer a social media company can keep a user within the walls of its platform, the more ads it can offer them. This has been a key monetization method for businesses of all sizes in the social media space. However, many social media companies have a very transactional attitude towards their user bases. Adding new features is as much a feature to make advertisers happy as it is satisfying for those who use the platforms. Regulators have attacked the biggest social media companies for stealing user data. It's almost as if many social media companies are actively working against their users. This leaves the door open for a company like Pintarest to change the dominant paradigm and be a force for positive change in the industry. Why buy Pintarest shares? Pintarest offers something different from the usual social media experience. The key differentiator is Pintarest's emphasis on visual images. Rather than short text exchanges, users are able to pin down images that perfectly encapsulate what they are trying to communicate and do so creatively. Pintarest users can choose not only which images to pin, but also where to put them. The service maintains several bulletin boards or collections of images related to different interests of the user. As users interact with the social media site, Pintarest pays attention and uses its machine learning algorithms to direct users to other images that they may be interested to see. This is where advertising comes in, as Pintarest gives businesses the ability to include image-based ads among the suggestions they receive from users. When users are interested and visit an advertiser's website, Pintarest makes money. To be clear, Pintarest is just beginning to figure out how to best monetize its platform. Instead, the company prioritized creating a large network of users. Pintarest has largely managed to achieve this, boasting 416 million monthly active users, an increase of almost 40% in the last 12 months. In addition, many of these users are highly desirable from an advertising point of view. In its early 2019 IPO prospectus, Pintarest said that more than half of US millennials are on the social media platform. 8 out of 10 mothers are on Pintarest, and the company noted that moms are often the top decision makers when buying household products and services. Pintarest has been working to expand its reach, and international users make up a vital part of the social network. Conclusion: social media is here to stay, even with skeptics remaining critical of most platforms. The Pintarest social network is a breath of fresh air by comparison, and its growth prospects are considerable. I hope you liked the video. In that case, I invite you to subscribe and put a like to support the channel. Thanks.